present continuous to talk about temporary things which have begun and haven't finished. They are often happening now, in this moment, this week, or this month, or even this year. For example, we are studying English right now. In a sentence, it will appear like this. First, the subject, then the be, which is am, is, or are. Then we have the verb plus ing and the time expressions. For time expression, we use now, in this moment, today, tonight, this week, this year, this month.
Meet Debbie, Betty's twin sister. She's in her kitchen making dinner. She's cooking a soup. She smells it. Oh la la, it smells good. Oh look, she's trying to light a match. Oh, careful, careful Debbie, careful. She's now checking again the soup. But it smells bad. Oh no. She's mixing and tastes the soup again. Now what? She isn't cooking. She is crying. Oh no.
We also use the present continuous for future arrangements with other people. For example, at 8, I'm meeting Betty just for a quick drink. For questions, you just change around the subject and the verb to be. For example, let's use this one again and change it into a question. We are studying English right now. Are we studying English right now? Yes, we are studying English right now. For negatives, you add not after the verb to be. No, we aren't studying English. Don't forget to use the contraction, a contraction if you're speaking. Like, you're not really studying at all, are you? Or you aren't really studying. They aren't using the computer room at the moment. This program isn't working. Okay, guys, that's about it. The present continuous or the progressive. I'm going to leave you a list of spelling rule below the video in the description box, and check out on this video the stative verbs because it's part of the subject as well. Have fun, good life. I see you next time. Bye.